Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can disable all of the notifications from any particular group in your Facebook account. So, first what you need to do after opening your Facebook application is simply click on these three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Once you've clicked here, you can see this groups tab right here. Simply click on this groups tab, and from here you can see this settings icon at the top corner as well. Simply click on the settings option, and from here you can see the third option which says following. Simply click on the following button, and then what you need to do is simply go to that particular group either using the search button, or if you can see the group in the list, simply click on that particular group from which you want to block all of the notifications. So for example, I want to block all of the notifications from, let's say, this particular group right here. Then once you are inside the group page, simply click on this three horizontal dots at the corner of your screen. Once you have clicked here, you can see the second option which says manage notifications. Simply click on the manage notifications, and you can see different sections like in-app notifications, push notifications, and batch mentions as well. If you want to disable all of the notifications from this group, simply turn each one to off. And here you can see that once you have turned this off, the push notifications will also get automatically turned off. Then for the batch mentions like @everyone, you can turn that off as well. So once you have done these three settings, no, you will further never receive any notifications from this particular group in your smartphone. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.